guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do sketch day 22 using this fab sketch, but I'm only going to use the left side with this picture of my son and his kitty. And you've seen me put my kits together. I'm going to use some chippies. I'm going to color in some wood veneer and figure out how to use up some of this stash. I'm going to grab this whole middle part and just pop it on for that middle band design part, because I mean the artwork is absolutely stunning. So why not use what is already there for us, right? And right here I was like, oh wait, I have a little tiny scrap I need to get cleaned up. So that's gonna go in the middle, right? But I want some of that really nice rich red as well. So I'm gonna just grab a couple quick pieces of that. Now I'm going to just cut it down the middle and, you know, instead of wasting any paper, and have it peek out of the edges. And then you're gonna see me find yet another piece of paper. I'm like, wait, I have this too. So let me go ahead and find my scallop punch wherever that was. That took a minute to find. And just add a cute little scallop, because the holidays make me want that extra little bit of fancy going. So right here, I'm like, yes, I'm only using that left side. Now this print right here, it's pretty. It's got this nice little bit of green. I'm like, maybe I should matte my photo, like double matte it. But this deep green is what I was talking about, that we're gonna look at getting a little scallop on here. So I'm going to go on the hunt for that punch, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and run it through my vintage little punch, and we're gonna make it cute. All right, so you see my little scallop, and then I remembered that I had these 49 and Market little pieces, so I'm gonna pop my photo on that. And then from this Simple Stories piece, I'm gonna go ahead and fussy cut out that piece that looks a bit like a doily. I thought that might add a little zhuzh to my right-hand side. So this is one of those layouts. It's gonna be pretty easy peasy, but it will document this memory of my son with his silly little kitty with these glowing orangey eyeballs. His cat has just the most, like, just dramatic coloring. So this is where I have to faff around a bit to make sure that this fits, and can I get all of that 25 on the left side to show, all of that kind of stuff. You know how it is when you want to include all of the cute things and you're just trying to make it work. On retrospect, I could have trimmed that piece and just slid it over, because you don't see anything under the photo. Okay guys, I have a pretty good handle on where this is going. Now remember, I'm using just this side of the sketch, and these pieces here are being represented by these fun little pieces that I inked up with Distress Oxide, so that's great. Now my title right now reads Joy. I think I'm gonna bring these letters in so we can have it read So Much Joy. So that will be fun. Now I started looking at some of my other bits. I'm gonna put some photo corners on. That will be easy peasy. I'll see if I can find a couple of these stickers that work. They're from Heidi Swapp. First time I opened them. I have them in off-white as well as in black. Oh, but wait. Then I looked in my bin. You guys, I've got sequins, enamel dots. Ooh, a cute little snowflake. Oh, it came out of there, so we can pop that down. Don't think I'm going to use any trim, but I might be able to get some of this black in on this lower piece. So I have got plenty to do. I just wanted to show you that my wood pieces came out, my chippies came out, used 5 different Distress Oxides that I can put away. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this up and come back and show you the finished layout. I think it came together nicely, and that will take care of day 22. All right guys, this one is finished. Super fun, great to use some stash. We've got nice, fun, customized goodies going on. I used the sequins in my kit just around the doily to oomph it up a little bit because it was kind of flat over there. But guys, that's what I have. Love where it went. Thank you so much to this fab designer for creating this sketch. And guys, I'm going to take a few still shots, get this one popped up on the YouTube, and I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, guys. Oh, still shots to follow.